भाई तेरा कूलेंट लीक हो रहा है, कूलेंट कूलेंट। अबे धुआं निकल, ए इग्निशन चालू कर, इग्निशन। You just one utilitarian mirror now. Why use two that don't do the job well?
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है।
Not a good idea, buddy. Yeah, you're regretting it. Yes.
A few inches later.
Again, not a good idea, buddy. I mean, don't you learn from your lessons? So naive, these people.
A few inches later.
और करो ऑफ-रोडिंग। क्या आ गया डेयरडेविल कोरेगांव का। Well done, buddy. Well done.
ये कोई गाना है।
I so wish the traffic were like this forever. Like it's crowded, but it's not. You can't call it crowded. It's like there is traffic. There are people. People do exist in this world. Usually on Mumbai roads, it's like every person that exists in the world is on this road. Look at this. I'm actually going at on my fifth gear. Not my fifth gear, fourth gear. And I don't understand the theory behind this. Like, why does this happen? Sometimes there is no traffic. Sometimes there's traffic in abundance. Why this happens? I've got no clue. जान क्यों दूं भाई? जान इतनी प्यारी है मुझे।
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रे हलकट हंस।
Is it going to rain? Is this one of those dark days where I am wearing a leather jacket and it starts pouring suddenly? What do you say to the god of rain?
Not today.
Not today, not today. What do you take to shut the f*** up? Nothing, nothing.
बढ़ जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। इसी ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ। पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
Holy shit, it's smoking as well. भाई तेरा कूलेंट लीक हो रहा है, कूलेंट कूलेंट।
तुम्हारे पैर के पास
पेट्रोल नहीं है वो, कूलेंट है।
हाँ हाँ, उसके नीचे भी पानी धुआं निकल रहा है। गाड़ी गर्म नहीं चल रही।
अबे धुआं निकल, ए इग्निशन चालू कर, इग्निशन चालू कर, इग्निशन चालू कर। हाँ और रहने दे, फैन फैन चलने दे। Fucking smoking, man. Holy shit. What has he done to his bike? He's leaked all of his coolant. तो ये क्या है फिर? I hope that KTM's have fan on ignition. I guess. I hopefully should be there. This is what happens when you don't know about things about your bike. You don't know what a coolant is. ये सही है, YouTube पे मस्त गाने लगाओ। I think the KTM's radiator fan switches on only after the ignition, right? You don't have to turn the motor on, probably. I mean, I agree that you should your bike should be smoking hot, but not literally. It should not literally be smoking hot. Little bit of courtesy. Yeah, there is courtesy. Nice. See, mostly the people of India are good. It's not like there are everywhere. It's just that a few exceptions exist in every society. Oh God. Now I know why you turned. You cheeky little bastard.
Bonus.
That's a Renegade. This bike just disappeared, man. It like came and it just left. There are no traces of it now.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.